You probably use Windows every single day. You open apps, browse the internet, watch videos, play games, maybe even work on it for hours. But here's the weird part. Most people use Windows for years without discovering some of its best features. Today, I'll show you hidden Windows tricks that can save time, fix annoying problems, and unlock features you probably didn't know existed. And trust me, some of these become impossible to stop using once you know them. Give this video a thumbs up, and let's start with a problem almost everyone has faced. Imagine you're working on something important, maybe editing videos, gaming, or simply using multiple apps, and suddenly your screen freezes. Most people immediately restart their PC. But before doing that, press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B on your keyboard. Your screen flashes. You hear a beep, and Windows instantly restarts your graphics driver without rebooting. Since we're already talking about Windows secretly fixing problems in the background, here's something else most people don't realize. Your PC secretly remembers things too. For example, imagine needing your Wi-Fi password because you're connecting another device or helping a friend. Instead of opening router settings or resetting passwords, open CMD and enter this command. This shows all saved networks. Then type this command. Remove WiFiName and enter name of your Wi-Fi. And press enter. Scroll down and Windows literally reveals your saved password. Once you realize Windows hides things like this, you start wondering what else is hidden. Now, think about how many times you've searched for Task Manager, Device Manager, Terminal, or Disk Management. Instead of searching every time, press Windows plus X, and suddenly all these advanced tools appear instantly. Here, you will see things like Task Manager, Device Manager, Terminal, Disk Management, and others. Now you can directly open them from here instead of going here and there. Speaking of hidden menus, this next thing sounds completely fake. Create a new folder and rename it to this text, and it turns into a strange folder. Open it, and suddenly hundreds of settings appear in one place. Microsoft literally called this GodMode. And you can access a wide range of settings and features that are often scattered across different locations in the operating system. Now, maybe you're using a laptop and wondering why your battery doesn't feel as good as before. Or maybe you're buying a used laptop and want to check its condition. Windows secretly tracks this too. Open CMD again and type this command and press enter. Once the command executes, a confirmation message will appear indicating the report's location. Open File, Explorer, and navigate to the C drive, and open your user folder. Locate the file named batteryreport.html and double-click it to open in your default web browser. Windows automatically creates a detailed battery report showing your battery health, capacity, usage history, charge cycles, wear level, and estimated battery life to help you check battery condition. And while we're making your PC smarter, let's fix another common problem: clutter. Too many windows open, too many apps running, and eventually your desktop becomes a mess. Instead of stuffing everything onto one screen, press Windows plus tab and create separate desktops. One for work, one for gaming, one for editing, one for studying. Suddenly, your computer feels organized again. And while we're trying to make things faster, what if I told you the mouse itself sometimes becomes the slow part? Look at your taskbar and press Windows plus 1 to open the first pinned app, Windows plus 2 for the second, and so on. After a few days, reaching for the mouse starts feeling slower. Actually, here's another shortcut you'll probably accidentally start using every day. Press Windows plus full stop on your keyboard, and the emoji keyboard instantly appears. As your keyboard do not contains emojis, so this is very helpful. Simple trick, but once you know it, you stop opening websites just to copy emojis. And since we're already talking about automation, why are you still manually cleaning storage? First, go to Settings, go to System, and choose Storage. Under Storage Management, select Storage Sense, toggle Storage Sense to on. Now Windows automatically remove temporary files and junk files in the background. Set it once and forget about it. So, these were some secret Windows tricks. If you know any cool trick too, share it in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because many more useful and interesting tips and tricks are coming soon.